In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Wise account to your bank account. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your transfer goes smoothly and without a hitch. Let's dive right in. First, start by visiting the Wise homepage. This is where all your balances and account options are displayed. Once you're there, find the currency that you'd like to transfer. Clicking on the currency will take you into more detailed options about that specific balance. Next, you'll want to click on Send. This option allows you to move funds from your Wise account to another account, whether that's another Wise account or an external bank account. Once you've done that, you'll need to choose the region where your bank account is located. This ensures that your transfer complies with all regional banking requirements and that it reaches its destination correctly. After selecting the region, it's time to type in the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double check this amount to avoid any mistakes. Money transfers can quickly become problematic if incorrect figures are entered, so take a moment to review. Moving on, click on Add Recipient. This is where you'll specify who will be receiving the funds. After clicking it, you'll be presented again with the option Add Recipient. This redundancy serves as a confirmation step to ensure you're certain about the recipient's details. You'll then need to click on Bank Details. Here you'll enter crucial information about the recipient's bank account, so make sure you have all the necessary details at hand. This includes clicking Myself if you're transferring to an account in your own name. Next, you need to type in the full name of the account holder. Accuracy is key here. Any discrepancies can delay your transaction. Afterwards, select the appropriate bank name from the list provided, and then enter the account number precisely to ensure there are no errors. Once all the details are correct, click on Continue. Following this, Wise will prompt you with a question asking for the reason behind your transfer. This is important for ensuring transparency and regulatory compliance. From the available options, select the reason that best matches your situation. You'll want to click Continue again to proceed to the final step. Here, review all the details one last time, and when you're confident that everything is accurate, click on Confirm and Send. Before completing the transfer, you'll be asked to enter your Wise password. This final security measure ensures that it is really you who is authorizing the transfer. And finally, click on Pay to process your transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred money from your Wise account to your bank account. By carefully following these steps, you can manage your finances with ease using Wise, making international and domestic transfers simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and if you need further assistance or have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.